Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MidJourney account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently cancel or close your MidJourney account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your MidJourney account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes there's certain services you don't use anymore, so you'd rather go ahead and permanently delete the account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MidJourney homepage. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MidJourney, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close your account, what you're going to do is click down here on the bottom left, My Account. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up and click on Manage Subscription. Okay, first what you want to do is go ahead and cancel any kind of paid subscription that you have with MidJourney. There's going to be a cancel button right here on the top right. I've already canceled my paid subscription. Now, in order to permanently close your MidJourney account, you're going to need to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to go ahead and see these FAQs and look for this one right here. How can I delete my account? Once you click on there, it's going to open up and it's going to give you this orange button. Click here to delete your account. All right, once you do that, you get these two options. So you can go ahead and simply cancel your paid subscription, which is what you would have done just a moment ago, or you can go ahead and permanently delete your account. Now, they do let you know that the images that you've created in MidJourney will be deleted, but you have 7 days to change your mind. If you're sure you want to go ahead and delete your account, go ahead and click here, delete my account. And then next, click here, review account deletion. Okay, next you need to go ahead and verify all 3 of these statements before you can delete. Now, if you're still sure you want to go ahead and delete your account, click on delete my account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my MidJourney account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently cancel your MidJourney account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.